What is up, fellow pandemic survivors? It is yours truly, Esch, the gig economist, back with another video. Y'all, this video will be a banger and a half. We've got blizzard conditions out here today. Currently it is 11 a.m. I will be dashing Minneapolis, Roseville, St. Paul, the entire metro region today. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. If you know, you know. Blizzards, the dash is poppin'. It is the eve of Christmas Eve. Your boy is trying to hit 300. That's my goal for today. I'm gonna put in about 10 hours. I'm going 11 to 9. So hopefully I can keep that 30-an-hour pace like I almost always do with this blizzard coming through. Woo!
Oh, dash now?
Yes! Yes! Let's go!
Charge phone? Check. Oh yeah. Gas? Check. Red car? Check.
Oh yeah.
Hot bag, all that bullshit? Check.
Oh yeah.
Hi, I'm good. What's up? We out.
We out.
All right, I'm hopping on. First things first, Everlands. Gotta track those miles. First thing I do every dash, open my phone, hit the Everlands app, bada bing, bada boom, and start tracker. 0.0 miles. First things first, Everlands. Second things second. I'm a little sick. I don't got the COVID though. Just got a sore throat. I'm big chillin', trust me, trust me. Second thing second, hit the dash. Very busy, currently in the Roseville area.
I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash.
All right, y'all. I've got something I'm gonna take. Devani's is taking me deep into St. Paul. It's taking me 8 miles. The payout is $8.25, as you will see. It's all right. The only condition I'm taking this is that it's taking me into the city towards where I'd like to be later today. I know Minneapolis uptown area will be fantastic. I will definitely be dashing in uptown later today, later in this video. So I'm gonna head towards there with this Devani's order. It's got 4 items on it for a total of $46.83, I believe the customer's total is. And yeah, we've got one to start our day. Not too shabby. Had to wait about 5 minutes to get that puppy. Had to weed through a few Walmart orders. Had to weed through a couple crappy Potbelly orders. And finally took a Devani's that I'll take. 11:20 a.m. pickup time on this order. It's currently 11:14 a.m. So hopefully they got it ready. I know in the past Devani's has been a little bit slow. They're usually around pickup time, if not 2 minutes late, but food is picked up. They were on it today. Big ups to Devani's. On their shit this morning. They knew coming into today they'd be whipping up orders real quick. So I'm glad their pace is on point on this gloomy, rainy, drizzly Wednesday morning out here in Roseville, Minnesota. Beautiful day. Absolutely love these days. I live for this shit. Let's hit the road.
I'ma go dash. I'm leaving the crib with my jacket, my hoodie, my scully. Ski mask when I'm clocked in. I'm leaving the crib with the red bag in case I gotta go and dash that, dash that, dash that.
See this at the team.
All black like Killer Ren, 10s on, stomping in. Or I beat the Stephanie, L. Williams. If it wasn't for her son, I wouldn't beat the GIM. Amen. Amen.
All right, second order of the day, Wendy's, $6, 2.8 miles. All right, after that mini fiasco, I have secured the food. Essentially, whoever was here before probably got their food probably just stained it. I mean, it's a DoorDash delivery driver. What can you say? Some of them don't have the best morals and standards. It's whatever.
It is what it is.
All right. On my way into the store, I received a red count order for $7 that's taking me, I believe, down towards downtown St. Paul, which is not great, but that's towards where the drop off for this order is, so I took it because of that. $7 payout. That stacked order gives me a $13 payout for these two combined. So, leave it a sky cloud, now my mind try to fix my wrongs.
At the end of the day, you got yourself, you know who you are.
Riding through my city with that dash bag. Running through my city with that dash bag. Running through my city with that dash bag. Riding through my city with that dash bag.
On the way to both of the customers, downtown St. Paul. Get it!
Through my city with that dash bag. If I don't dash, I don't sleep. If I don't sleep, I can't eat. I smack a motherfucker, try to tell me he did UberEats. These niggas need to understand, my nigga, I'm a plug addict. Niggas need to understand, I gotta have it. Knock, nigga, I'm at your door, black mask. I got the red bag, I need everything that he has. Who's next on the map? About to hit the door and dash. They hating on the kid the way I added up. Canada, 24 hours back in America. Smuggling the bubble up, call us up. What you need? We packing up the quota. Cream soda. Cash flows everything around me. Riding through my city with that dash bag. Riding through my city with that dash bag. Running through my city with that dash bag. Running through my city with that dash bag. Riding through my city with that dash bag.
Just arrived at the customer's locale, dropping off the food.
Running through the city with that dash bag. Riding through the city with that dash bag. Running through my city with that dash bag. I got the recipe. Give me
All right.
you wanna say it the remedy.
The total came to be $9. Thank you very much. $7 tip. Very respectable. Within the next hour, about hour and a half maybe, the rain should turn over to snow. That might be actually more time than predicted by the forecast. So it might be raining for another couple hours here. Who knows? I can't predict the weather. The weather's gonna do what the weather does. I love SWAT T, they're always on their shit. 3 mile drop off, that's what I like to hear. As I was getting that order, the rain has now turned to sleet, so I'm gonna have to start being careful with my driving now. It's gonna get intense, it's gonna get real intense, but right now, we're cruising. We're cruising, there's almost no peak pay, there's like $1 peak pay right now. I'm looking for $4, $5, $6 peak pays later tonight. If it's not a $4 or $5 peak pay during the blizzard, something's wrong.
To Beverly, turning my crib into a gated community. Eventually, keeping my eye on all of my enemies. Don't you ever try to juxtapose authority.
All right, just talked to my boy Pepe. He gave me word from the north. We've got a northwesterly wind bringing in the snow. As soon as he tells me this, within not even 4 seconds, it starts snowing. We got snow, folks. It's 12:26 a.m. It's 35 degrees in St. Paul. It was just 41 not even 10 minutes ago. It was so nice. It's starting, the temp's gonna drop hella quickly starting now. I'm hyped. Y'all better stay hyped, stay tuned. This is gonna be a bussin' dash. Learn how to dash in the blizzard conditions from yours truly, the gig economist Eli Esch. Let's go. Did not take a screenshot of this next order. It's so meh. I'm not even trying to show this on the screen. It's $5.50. The only reason I'm taking this order is because it's putting me right along Interstate Highway 94 in St. Paul, which is gonna allow me to hop on that real quick, take me down to Minneapolis, because Minneapolis is where the bread is at. St. Paul is very meh. If you dash in the Twin Cities, you'll probably know what I'm talking about. But I know if I go to Minneapolis, I will have a better chance of bigger tips and shorter distances to drive. So Minneapolis, Uptown are the final destinations for me today.
Don't you worry. style serving that food hot.
All right, we just got in our first order in Minneapolis proper. We are around the U of M University campus. We just got in a Bon Appetit and a Qdoba Mexican Eats stacked order for 5.9 miles for $14 paid.
Do with the ocean. Wait a minute, now wait a second, I ain't got time to wait. Where you at? Tell the lady hurry in the kitchen. I can see the cussy at the window clenching. Counting every mile, closing in on the distance. She was like, there you go, nigga, not a second. I turn my miles into dollars. I holler, don't you worry, don't you worry. Dash on the way, dash on the way. Don't you worry, don't you worry. Dash on the way, dash on the way.
Whoo, it's nasty out there. Oh my goodness. Holy shnikey.
Don't you worry, don't you worry. Dash on the way, dash on the way.
So DoorDash decides to let me take this first order to the customer before getting the second, just because it's 0.5 of a mile away. So nice quick drop off. Gonna grab that Qdoba order and I'm gonna be on my way to the second customer locale. And damn, the snow is really coming down. Driving's becoming real bad. This is what I live for though. This is Minnesota at its finest. Holy shit. Holy shit. It is truly blizzard level wind right now. Holy cow. 750 on that payout. I can already tell this is gonna be a whippersnapper. It's gonna be a real whippersnapper today, boys. Oh my goodness, we're only 2 hours into the dash. After the second order, I'll be sitting at 50 bucks even, I believe. Continually throughout this video, I'll give you guys updates on my earnings status for the day. Well, I just got a stacked upon my stack, which is the oddest thing to get. All right, let's go grab the stacked Qdoba right here. Bonchon straight down this way.
Take it down, wavy. Yo, before I leave the mini coupe, YouTube Bentley coupe, eating cereal with champagne. I'm paying in full, baby. Dashing through the states. You claiming you a dasher, but you don't see no cake. I'm surfing through the streets and I'm dashing through the blocks. You claim you wanna hustle, but you still got a little back. Come through with the shuffle. I'ma put you on how to get this duffel. I wake up every morning with a smile on my face. Cut them bills is paid. Cut them bills is paid. Cut them bills is paid. Breakfast champagne. That's how I celebrate. My belly aching, I'm pulling up patient before the celebration. Yeah, belly aching, pulling up patient, pulling up waiting. DoorDash knocking. Yeah, I'm right here, B. I'm sorry, not here for story. Give me my rating, I got to go. Whoa, don't you worry, don't you worry. Dash on the way, dash on the way. Don't you worry, don't you worry. Dash on the way, dash on the way. DoorDash baby, DoorDash baby. Dash on the way, dash on the way. Don't you worry, don't you worry. Dash on the way, dash on the way.
Alright, there you have it. That was Wavy Baby with another one. Shit, another one.
Just got in another order, Frank and Andrea's, $10, 6-mile drop off, I believe is what it said. It's bringing me towards Uptown. That's where I want to be for dinner. That's good news. That is the main reason I took this order. I'll be in the location that I'd like to be for the rest of my dash. Continue watching, stay tuned, it's a banger.
Hot bag, all that bullshit? Check. Hi, I'm good. What's up? We out.
We out. I'ma dash. I'ma go 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 dash. And I'ma go dash. I'ma go dash. And I'ma go dash. 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 I'ma go 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 dash. Red bag. I'm on that. Hold up. Where we going? Matter of fact, check that. Accept that. I'ma dash that. Okay. DoorDash baby.
Thank you very much, man.
DoorDash
You have a
baby.
good day.
Dash, dash, dash. Chill. They be asking the time, checking the fuck. Yeah, what's up? Where we at? We getting the money, big money alert. They asking this question, I'm like, nah, I don't care. Where you at?
Dropped off the Sarpino's delivery, $15 payout, $11 tip. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you very much.
Getting this money from the bar.
And we keep on rolling.
Getting this cash. Oh shit, ain't no turning. Hold back. I'ma go dash, 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 I'ma go dash. I'm leaving the crib with my jacket, my hoodie, my scully. Ski mask and I'm clocked in. I'm leaving the crib with the red back in case I gotta go and dash that, dash that, dash that. CD17. All black like Killer Ren, 10s on, stomping in. Or I beat the Stephanie, L. Williams. If it wasn't for her son, I wouldn't be the GIM. Amen, amen. DoorDash ringing, duffel bag swinging, pinky ring blinging, gold chain banging, Cadillac pimping, pomegranate dripping. Gotta get these ratings. Oh yeah. Shout, nigga, I'm a definition of a fucking paper chaser. No, I see or no, I talk about that patience.
If DoorDash does not bump up peak pay more than $1, because everywhere in the city is at $1 right now. It's very busy everywhere. $1 peak pay. That is absolute trash. Tony, I'm gonna come to headquarters and I'm gonna protest. Y'all don't send up a peak pay of at least $3 at the minimum. Bro, I'm making barely 20 an hour out here. Tony, let's go. Let's hope the dinner rush goes swell. Let's hope Tony knows what's up, knows we're driving through a blizzard out here. Us dashes in Minnesota.
I need my fucking ratings. We're paying for my patience. Let's go. I could have been a black, could have been a crick, could have been a king, but I meant to get the things in the air bakers. I might have people chasing. I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash, and I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash, and I'ma go dash, dash, dash. I'm leaving the kitchen gym, red band, don't forget that. Oh shit with that red car, pulling up in that fast car. Matter of fact, where we at, boy? Chipotle, better play your part. Walking in a controller, I'm walking out and I'ma do ya. Oh shit, these motherfuckers be catching emotions. They looking like there he go again, there he go again, there he go again, there he go again. I don't give a fuck, gotta get my money, boy. Be looking at me like how? I ain't making noise. Wait, phone going off for the interviews. Make deliveries on that podcast. Yeah, they heard about the kid wave. Benny Blanco with that DoorDash. Oh shit with that dosage. Bentley Coupe, yeah, you heard of him. Pulling up on that hat. Dash Mike and we on that. I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash, and I'ma go dash, I'ma go dash, and I'ma go dash, 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 I'ma go dash. Whipping the sancocho, sancocho, sancocho. Whipping the sancocho, sancocho, sancocho. Whipping the sancocho, sancocho, sancocho. Whipping the sancocho. Whipping the sancocho, papayuca 28. No se hace el pendejo. Tráiganme mi pollo.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Yes. It's a W. I just dropped off the 1225 stacked order. I just got in a Wendy's order, did not screenshot it. $10.75 for like 3 miles. I'll take that. Oh shit. This is treacherous, guys. Fucking Tony, the audacity. Tony is the CEO. Cannot believe this dude. No peak pay. No peak pay, man. What is this bullshit? GoPro, stop recording.
Sweepstakes and before this rapping, I was trapping out of eBay in the game like EA.
I'm in the kilo, okay? Trapping out of Bay and Bay. Every day I relocate. New bitch every 30 days. No contest you throw away. Got the rolly wrist, with the apple face. Travel hoe for like any day. Good hands in all states. 56 to that 28. Gain the pounds and I loot the weight. Got the coke from the orderly. Power yipping up.
Last 2 orders of the night.
Whipping the sancocho, whipping the sancocho, sancocho, sancocho. Whipping the sancocho, sancocho, sancocho. Whipping the sancocho, sancocho, sancocho. Whipping sancocho, sancocho. Whipping the sancocho, sancocho, sancocho. Whipping the sancocho, sancocho, sancocho. Whipping the sancocho, sancocho, sancocho. Whipping the sancocho.
Got the Devani's order dropped off. Time to drop off the Namaste India and call it a damn night. You know what I'm saying? Call it a fucking day. Gonna put me over $200. Wow, it's been crazy. te. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. Loose leaf. The final order of the day. And clocking out. If y'all have made it this far in the video, I truly appreciate it. Y'all are legitimate fans of my work, of my channel. So thank you so much. I really appreciate all of your support. Just even watching it to the end here. If you've made it this far, hit that like button. If you've made it this far, you've definitely already hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. I've got DoorDash videos popping off. Like, I've got so many for y'all. If you love what I do, let me know in the comments. Give me critiques, give me recommendations for new videos. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. And yeah. So again, thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it. Esch, the gig economist. Deuces.